Trutzschler is sitting here in Mönchengladbach. The management is sitting in this building. Mr. Heinrich Trutzschler, Mr. Dr. Schürenkrämer, and the managing directors, like CEO Dr. Burger, like Mr. Ebenehöy, who is responsible for the production facilities around the world, and Mr. Napowotsky, who is doing the financial controlling for the worldwide Trutzschler location. In the Technicum, we have the possibility to make different trials for the customers. We have all opening possibilities here, and we have all working possibilities for different fibers, for different materials, and for different trials. What I would like to do now in the next step, I would like to go with you to our production site to show you where we start with the steel plates. There, okay. You have many different steel types which are stored the whole way. Everything is full with steel plates, different type of material. The plates are taking out and handmade, they are making the bending. What you will see now is, over there we have our storage for many steel plates. Different kinds of steels are used here. We are making here different steel plates, different housings and controlling devices, which we later on assemble on another place.
So is this the entrance for the raw material, and
yes.
These are the plates?
Yes, these are the plates which are delivered here. And perhaps you know, Trutzschler is also making their own converters. And for converters, you need housing. And even this housing, we are making here fully automatically in the Trutzschler premises.
All these parts are made
All
here?
these parts are made here. You will see it on the machine over there. There's a fully automatic machine doing the cutting. As you can see, the plates are stored on this side. The machine is taking the plates. It will be aligned. As you can see there, the plate is moving. You cut out the pieces. And when workbench chip is ready, the empty one is falling down here. And additionally now, all this steel has to be controlled, and some areas have to be flexed so that you have a nice surface. Very important is what you see here. You have different working stations, and that means German quality. Otherwise you cannot secure. Here, the right hand side is the fully automatic painting. You have cleaning the metal parts, grinding the metal parts, painting the metal parts, coming out full color. And for this, you can do this with different colors. And we are not painting, we are making fiber coating. Not direct painting, fiber coating. Better quality than painting. What is the main product of Trutzschler? As you know, Trutzschler is very well known for the cutting machines. And everything is starting with steel plate. This steel plate is delivered from a German steel supplier with a high quality standard. And from here, we are coming to the next area where we are doing the pre-erection of the cutting machine. And as perhaps you can imagine, everything has to be done under a very high quality control. This is the frame on which everything is erected later on. Also this frame, as you can see, is painted and produced here in Germany. That means all cutting machines which we are supplying worldwide from Germany's part is all produced here in Germany. Then we have the next working step where we are doing assembling for the cutting. What we see here, the straight line, is the complete assembly and erection of the carding machine. The carding machine has different areas. You have a liquor-in area, you have a wet feed area, you have a flat revolving area, you have a cleaning area, and all this has to be produced in separate ways. And always working stations on the left-hand side, taking the unit, putting it onto the carding machine. That means each carding machine, which is coming out from this factory, has a test run before going out. And very important is how many carding machines we have built already here in Mönchengladbach. Until 1967, Trutzschler has built 33,414 carding machines here. At the moment, we have, in average, only here in Mönchengladbach, a production between 800 and 1,000 carding machines per year, which are going out from this assembling station. What we are doing is, we are packing the carding machine like you see it here, and you will have different boxes which are packed with this carding machine. You have all machines which you are using in a ballroom which need a special quality to produce later on in the factory. As you can see here, different cleaner types are standing here. On the other side you have the SPFBU, you have the TC5, there you have the Tuftomat, over there is the CLC3. All these elements are assembled in this area. Okay. And as I explained to you before, mixer blendomat is done on the other side of the plate. As you know, we're also producing door frames. Door frames, more or less, we are doing the same. You see it here on the right-hand side. You have different parts which are pre-assembled in our factory and now have to be erected and put together to the door frame. This is the new door frame TD9, which we are assembling on this area.
So this comber and the lap former you are making in India?
The lap former we are making here in Germany, and we are doing assembling in India. That means door frame parts are built in Mönchengladbach.
Okay.
Combing machine parts are produced in Japan by Toyota, and assembling we are doing in India. The parts will be shifted from Japan to India, and the parts will be shifted from Germany to India. Why do we choose India? India is in the middle. That means transportation is easy and quality control can be done in India.
Other than that, all the machines that you've shown, blow room, carding machine, draw frame, everything is made here.
Everything is made here.